Welcome to Coast of Maine's Easy Gardening Products, a premium plant-specific product line formulated to meet many of your customers' gardening needs. Our planting soil for tomatoes and vegetables is formulated with sphagnum peat moss, composted manure, and aged bark for better tasting produce and stronger, fuller plant growth. Perfect for top dressing and container gardening, it's available in 20-quart bags. And we recommend pairing it with Coast of Maine's tomato, vegetable, and herb fertilizer for season-long feeding. Our planting soil for acid-loving plants supports plants like rhododendrons, azaleas, and blueberries with sphagnum peat moss, composted manure, and aged bark. It helps reduce leaf yellowing and boosts abundant flowering in both in-ground and container plantings. Pair with our Rhodie, Azalea, and Berry Fertilizer for vibrant blooms and healthy fruit. Our planting soil for annuals delivers longer-lasting blooms and diverse applications. Blended with sphagnum peat moss, composted manure, aged bark, fishbone meal, and alfalfa meal, it's ideal for beds, baskets, containers, and borders. Pair it with our Stonington Blend organic plant food for continuous nutrition. Our planting soil for roses and flowers is crafted with sphagnum peat moss, composted manure, aged bark, and alfalfa meal to produce more abundant blooms and revitalize garden soil. It's perfect for in-ground or container plantings. Pair with Coast of Maine rose and flower fertilizer for spectacular floral displays. With clearly marked plant-specific labels, premium organic ingredients, and perfect fertilizer pairings, Coast of Maine's Easy Gardening products make it simple for your customers to succeed. Help them choose the right blend and watch their gardens flourish.